Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiru. Today we'll be making mandazis, and for that we'll only need 5 ingredients. Hope you enjoy. We're going to start with 2 medium-sized eggs. To that we'll add 200 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of bluband, or you can use butter, 1 kg of all-purpose flour, and this will make about 44 mandazis, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, or instead you can use 1 kg of self-raising flour and don't use the baking powder. We're going to add 250 ml of lukewarm water while kneading, so you'll add the water in small amounts and then you knead the dough until it becomes soft. After kneading the dough, we'll cover this with cling film and let it rest for a minimum of 3 hours, or instead you can place a piece of cloth over the dough. The 3 hours are up. We'll cut big chunks and round them up into balls, and then we're going to add some flour onto them while rounding them up so that they don't stick to the surface where we're going to roll them on.